Sunday. Tapos may isa pa, June yata yun. Yeah, June! Tapos sa June, mag-talk pa. Talk ako ng June na. Dito, December. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna eat first, dinner first, tapos may shopping tayo sa loob. We got the GCs na, guys! We're gonna eat, of course, Slamin Sliders. Our fave. Oh, yes.
Parang masarap yung big cup.
Here's our food, guys. We have buffalo wings, fries, yummy, sliders. Yeah, I got some swimsuits from Sesa, right? Bongga. Buy one, take one, guys. Yan. Last event daw nila for summer. It's the morning after, guys, so we weren't able to vlog so much at the World Trade Center. Yung bazaar. Ewan ko, medyo naghabol din kasi kami kasi close sila ng mga 9 o'clock. But I got super bongga nung swimsuits na nabili ko. As in, buy one, take one. Kaya, I love it. It's from Sesa PH. We also got to meet the owner. Siya daw yung nagde-design ng lahat. Hindi ko na-cash yung name niya. Tapos si Mark nakabili ng shirt at ng shorts. Mamaya, pakita namin sa inyo. So today, we're gonna go to Tiendesitas for filming, a short filming. So if you wanna watch that, parang it's gonna be a special 3-minute video. I'll have the link in the information box. I'll be editing it right away mamaya para ma-upload din agad. Simple makeup look for today, and then I am wearing a top from Mirio.ph, tapos yung jumper from Ben Shop. Ikaw ng makeup look mo today?
Simple.
Simple?
Ang itim ko pa rin.
Hindi ah. Darling doggy! Doggy! Cute! At dahil may init, may tayong 20 pesos.
Tiendesitas ice cream.
Tiendesitas ice cream, girl. Okay. At guys, andun lang pala yung jump yard. We were supposed to visit that place, pero wala pa kaming schedule, so ayusin namin. We're here at Spice and Clever. Gonna have some lunch. Truffle, ano pasta? Parang wild mushroom something pasta. Looks good. And then we have sausage. Anong klaseng sausage?
Mexican sausage, tsaka ito daw yung Mexican. Tapos ito yung kasama sa 3 Little Pigs.
Na?
Sausage. Yung name nung sausage nila. 3 Little Pigs.
Here at La Lola, we're gonna try out the churros. Haven't tried it before. But, ito tayo. So cool! Classic with signature chocolate dip. Kala ko mag-CR ka. Here's the churros, guys. Oh, yes. Kaya pala may butas yung table. Kaya nagtataka ko bakit may butas. Oh, gosh, cool. Yummy. And we have the chocolate sauce over here. May stick ba? Bawal ba kamayin?
Hindi. Pwede mo stick na lang para hindi.
Okay, so kala ko super duper sarap niya. But for me, hindi siya ganun ka... Okay naman, pero... Nakakaumay. Naumay ako. Ikaw?
Deep fried. Parang siyang donut. Parang donut na donut bilog.
Pero hindi siya donut. Ano pala? Antigas kasi.
Parang crunchy. Crunchy kasi siya. Crunchy. Masarap pa nga yun. Parang mas masarap pa yung churros ng Exeter.